Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I have week 35 of my 2020 Project Life album here for you. Now this process video, I am using the Ali Edwards Story Kit. I think this was 2018 or 2019, and it is from the Learn Kit. She has a subscription for a story kit as well as a stamp kit, and I've been getting this since she first started this, and I don't use her journaling cards that often, so I'm making it a priority to try to use more of those in my layouts. So I'm going through the journaling cards that came with this kit. She also has some I want to say accessories, but it's ephemera that comes that you can use with this kit. Now this alpha is from the Felicity Jane Madison kit, and I have some numbers left over, and so I am just putting number 35 to the very left 3x4 card, because this is always my title card, and I've been doing that for 10 years. Can you imagine? I may need to switch it up somehow next year. So I am spelling out the word 9 with some leftover alpha from another Felicity Jane kit, because this was my son's 9th birthday. And so for his birthday, he wanted an iPad really bad. So in our family, we have this deal where you can either have a birthday party, which we can't because of social distancing. You can go somewhere, which we can't because of social distancing, or you can get a big gift. And so he chose to get an iPad this year. And with school and all that, we figured it would be a good gift. So I'm using a Zebra Sarasa felt pen, and I got this set. It came with a set of 6 at Joann's, and I'll have that link down below. And I wrote, for Uni's 9th birthday, we got an appointment at the Apple store to pick up an iPad for his gift. Now, I had gone to the Apple store to pick up his gift before his birthday, but they wouldn't even let me in the store, and they said because of COVID, you now had to make an appointment. So when I got home, fortunately, I was able to make an appointment for his birthday. That was actually the first appointment I could get. Is that crazy or what? That would have been so sad for a 9-year-old not to get a birthday present on his birthday. So I'm going through the chipboards that came with this kit, and I am putting some of the chipboards throughout this layout. On the picture of him with his mask, I wrote, it says more, more, more. On the bottom one where he's opening his birthday gifts, it says remember this. And then there's the one that says Smarty Pants, smart is cool, and I put that of him at the Apple store because this kid is so smart. It's kind of scary. He's wickedly smart, and he has fun facts coming out of every, seriously, I mean, it's kind of crazy. So I'm going on to the second page, and this is just a really quick layout because I'm mostly focusing on words and photos. And on this picture, I put the triangle that says teach me because my son is teaching my daughter how to play cards. And on this learn journaling card, I wrote, I love that Uni is patient with Kaya to sit and teach her to play cards. These two are like best friends, and I absolutely love that. And so I wrote that, and I used the StazOn ink to stamp the date on photos, and I'm using the VersaFine Morning Mist, which is a new stamp ink pad that I got at Michael's, and I love that because it's gray and matches my gray pen. So I'm putting a date stamp onto this YouTube channel one, and it says writing this story one day at a time, one lesson at a time, one moment at a time, and one celebration at a time. And I'm journaling about my YouTube channels, and I wrote, slowly but surely my 2 YouTube channels are growing. My goal is to start making money within 2 years if the kids go back to school. I'll tack it with the vengeance. My plan was to start really working this to get it like a full-time job once the kids went back to school. But since all 4 are at home doing distance learning, I'm not able to attack it like I want to. So I am just trying to be consistent in posting videos up on both of my channels. If you're interested in my beauty channel, I will go ahead and link that and my Instagram down below. Now on this photo of my kids at the store, I put a chipboard that says this story onto the 2 kids on the bottom, and I wrote, the boys are old enough and listen, and they stay together when we go to a store. I love that their interests are similar and they play so well together. I do not take it for granted that my kids they get along, and they usually don't fight. They'll squabble, but I think that's normal for siblings, but they don't fight, which I am very grateful for. So I wrote that on that journaling card that says yes to this, and I'm going to put a chipboard that says always want to be learning on the photo of my YouTube channels, and I'm going to use my Tim Holtz scissors to cut off the bottom of that chipboard so that it is interacting with the edge of that photo. I like to have pieces interacting with the edges just for some visual interest. I'm also going to put this story triangle on the photo of my kids at the store, and it's pointing down to them. And I think you can only see 2 of my kids in that photo, but that's okay. And there you have it. That is my layout for week 35. Super simple, super fast, but I got the important things down, writing the stories. So if you enjoyed this video, thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.